Hi everyone, how are you today? Are you looking for some healthy food ideas? I really hope so because I want to share with you my Superfood Salad. Hey, where are you going? It's a nice salad, it's not a boring salad, and I'm really sure that you will like this one. Why is it a superfood? Because it has sweet potatoes inside, cranberries, and feta cheese, among other things, and all these are superfoods. Why are they superfoods? Because they are super for you. I really want to share this recipe, as I said, with you. First, we need about 1 kilo of sweet potatoes. We peel them carefully and cut them so that all pieces have more or less the same size. By doing this, we are helping them cook evenly. We don't want some part of them to be very cooked, some part of them to be raw. While we are peeling them, we boil the water. Therefore, by the time we are done, the water is ready. That is called efficiency. You can check to see if they are ready with a fork. If it is too easy to pierce them, then they are ready. If it is not, leave them a little bit more. Here are all our ingredients: 1 kilo sweet potatoes, half red pepper, 400 grams of feta cheese, 50 grams of dried cranberries, about 40 almonds, 3 tablespoons of oil, lemon, parsley, and coriander to taste. We take our red pepper and we cut it in small pieces. We then cut the sweet potatoes to cubes, or really whatever size or shape that you like. After all, it is your salad and you have to like what you're eating. It is now time to add your feta. We cut it in small cubes and we add it in the mixture of sweet potatoes and pepper that we have. If you don't like feta, you can substitute with any cheese of your choice. I would suggest preferably a salty one. If it is not a salty one, then do not forget to season with salt. It is now time to add another superfood, cranberries. Cranberries are a very popular superfood. It is high in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. They are a sweet plus to add in your diet. We will then chop our almonds a bit. You can also add walnuts or pines if you prefer them, and then sprinkle them on top. If you want to do the extra mile, you could also roast them in a pan before adding them. We are almost done. Time to add some extra boost to the salad. Add some lemon, oil, parsley and coriander to taste. Don't forget to also add some salt if you didn't use feta cheese and your cheese of choice was not a salty one. Mix everything, serve, and enjoy your superfood salad.